There's no 30-day
Right.
treatment program.
There's
It's
there's
you.
yeah, there's
It's
no
you.
no magic bullet, no magic switch. And I think kind of the way I look at that visually is at the end of the day, we can guide you up the trail, up the mountain, but you have to hike it. You have to be
Yeah.
the one that puts one foot in front of the other. And we can tell you what to do, but we can't carry you. No one can carry you. And there's no elevator to the top.
Yeah.
You have to climb the mountain. You have to. And it's not easy. No one's saying it's easy, but you have someone who's supporting you. And we're not going to sit around and talk in theory about how, climbing a mountain and what it looks like and what to expect. Yeah, we'll give you that information on the forefront. But the fact of the matter is that it's getting up and hiking the mountain. And again, we're there. Like we are there along the way with the amount of attention and support and encouragement. A lot of that because we've been there, we know what it's like. So we want to be there to support you. So it's not this 9 to 5 office hours, Monday through Friday. Send me an email and I'll respond in 48 hours. We are there. We're answering the phone on Saturdays. We're hiking that trail with you. But you're right, no one can hike it for you. And there's a lot of systems out there that are promising quick results, like lose 50 pounds in 2 weeks. It's not real. It's not going to happen, so it takes time, but you have to be the one that shows up and does that work. And when you do, you start seeing that benefit. And then we move into how good can you stand it, where your life just starts to improve and improve. And you talk about like friends, you start getting really deep, close friends. Your relationships start to improve and grow, and you feel confident about yourself.